Good afternoon. My name is Ed Goodwin. I'm the product development engineer for DermaSaver Hip Saver, based in Norwood, Massachusetts. I'm in our factory right now, and I want to tell you about a new product that we have today. This is the DropShield mask, and what it is a specialized mask, and my friend Ralph is modeling this here today. He's a very quiet guy, but he's actually quite inventive along with me as well. But I want to show you the unique properties, the material science of this here. This is the DropShield material, which is a synthetic that has no chemical additives or anything. It's a synthetic knit. And I'm going to drop there and drop here, and I'm going to explain to you what that means. You see right away it went into the cotton, but it's still standing on the surface of the polyester. Now, what's the significance of that? If you had a cotton mask like this cotton t-shirt, it's going to go right into your face. Whereas if you have the DropShield mask made out of polyester, it's going to sit on the surface, and as you walk around, it's either going to dry up or fall off. Let's see if we can demonstrate the falling off aspect. There it goes, see? So basically, if somebody sneezed in your face, that droplet would go on there, and as you take a few steps, it's going to drop to the floor, which is where you want it. You want it on the floor or someplace else, but not on your face. So Ralph never has to worry about anybody coughing in his face or sneezing anymore, because he's got the DropShield mask. And so it's available from the company. Check our website at DermaSaver.com. And that's about it. It's pretty simple, really.